Youth is not a feeling, a look, or a number on a calendar. Youth is a biological state. It exists at the cellular level, long before it is reflected in smooth skin, fast recovery, sharp thinking, or physical strength. When scientists talk about youth, they are not describing appearance. They are describing how efficiently cells produce energy, repair damage, communicate with one another, and maintain balance under stress. Youth is biology working at its most organized and resilient state. At the core of youth is energy. Young cells produce abundant energy with minimal waste. Mitochondria function efficiently, converting nutrients into usable fuel without excessive damage. This energy surplus allows cells to repair DNA, replace damaged proteins, maintain structural integrity, and adapt quickly to stress. When energy is plentiful, the body can afford maintenance. When energy declines, repair is postponed, and aging begins to accelerate. Another defining feature of youth is effective repair. Every day, cells experience damage from metabolism, environmental exposure, and normal biological processes. In youth, repair systems work faster than damage accumulates. DNA repair enzymes correct errors quickly. Damaged proteins are removed and replaced. Cellular membranes are restored. Tissues regenerate efficiently. Youth is not the absence of damage. It is the dominance of repair over damage. Youth is also marked by precise communication. Cells constantly send and receive signals that regulate growth, metabolism, immune response, and repair. In a youthful body, these signals are clear, balanced, and well-coordinated. Hormones bind efficiently to their receptors. Immune responses activate when needed and shut down when the threat is gone. Inflammation is brief and purposeful, not chronic. This signaling precision allows the body to respond intelligently rather than react excessively. Inflammation control is one of the most underestimated aspects of youth. Young biology maintains inflammation at low baseline levels. When injury or infection occurs, inflammation rises temporarily and then resolves. This resolution phase is critical. In youth, the immune system knows when to stop. This prevents collateral damage to tissues and preserves long-term function. As aging progresses, this resolution weakens, and inflammation becomes persistent, slowly eroding tissue integrity. Youthful tissue structure is another key element. Skin remains elastic because collagen production is robust and elastin networks remain intact. Muscles maintain mass and strength because protein synthesis is efficient. Bones remodel effectively, maintaining density and flexibility. Blood vessels remain elastic, supporting healthy circulation. These structural qualities are not cosmetic. They reflect underlying cellular efficiency and regenerative capacity. Stem cell activity also plays a crucial role in youth. Stem cells replenish damaged or aging cells in many tissues. In youth, stem cells are abundant, responsive, and capable of accurate differentiation. This allows organs to renew themselves and recover from stress. With time, stem cell function declines, not because they disappear entirely, but because their environment becomes more hostile due to inflammation, oxidative stress, and energy shortage. Another defining feature of youth is metabolic flexibility. Young bodies efficiently switch between energy sources depending on availability and demand. Glucose and fat metabolism are tightly regulated. Insulin sensitivity is high. Cells respond quickly to changes in energy needs. This flexibility protects tissues from metabolic overload and reduces oxidative stress, preserving cellular integrity over time. Perhaps most importantly, youth is a state of biological resilience. Young systems absorb stress and return to baseline quickly. Sleep restores balance. Short-term stress does not become chronic. Minor injuries heal fully. This resilience allows the body to maintain function despite constant environmental challenges. Aging begins when this ability to rebound starts to fade. What makes youth deceptive is that it feels permanent while it lasts. Because everything works smoothly, there is little awareness of how complex and delicate this balance truly is. Youth is not guaranteed by time alone. It is sustained by coordinated biological systems working together with remarkable efficiency. The biology of youth is not mysterious or magical. It is the result of high energy availability, strong repair mechanisms, low chronic inflammation, precise cellular communication, and resilient stress responses. When these systems are supported, biological youth can be preserved longer. When they decline, aging accelerates. Youth is not something you lose suddenly. It fades as repair slows, energy declines, and damage begins to accumulate faster than it can be corrected. Understanding the biology of youth reveals an important truth. Aging is not simply about getting older. It is about losing the biological conditions that once kept cells organized, resilient, and self-renewing.